Spring hasn't quite sprung, but it's having a good go. It's still very wet underfoot. I do believe that's wild garlic. It seems to be coming up everywhere. Today I'm going to be cooking on a vintage gas stove. When I say vintage, he dates back to the late 1970s or early 1980s. I've also got some pancakes I made earlier. And we're going to have delicious cheese and bacon savoury pancakes. That's if I don't trip over on the way. I've only just got over sniffing and snorting and snotting from a cold I've had for about a month. And now that's been replaced by hay fever. You just can't win. I absolutely love being in Woodland and just listening to all the sights and sounds. Let me show you what I've got today. Bit of plastic to sit on so I don't get a soggy bottom. All my food contained in this beautiful titanium pan. Some finest beef dripping. I'm not sure if I need that or not, but I brought it along just in case. Some chopped up onion in a little pot. A couple of lighters and some basic cutlery. I'm short of space, so I've precariously balanced him on a little stone with a stick. Hopefully he'll stay there. If not, we'll be going all Kate Bush, running down a hill. Da 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 da. I don't know any more words. There's the little man. This was gifted to me a little while ago. I've not had the opportunity to bring him out, and as it was such a beautiful day, I thought, do you know what, we'll give him a go. This is an old Campingaz stove, and it takes C200 cartridges. I think I did get a spare one with it, and I brought it out with me today. C200 cartridges. I don't know if you can get these anymore, but I'll have a look around and see how expensive they are. There's a bit of gas left in this one, probably about a quarter of a can, so that might be enough. When I was gifted this, it still had its original box, which I thought was cool. I'll put a picture in and show you. It's also got these legs that come out and they click together. That gives you a stable base. And these little arms come out and they click into place. I do have slightly more modern versions of this top, this burner head, which work on exactly the same principle. This has clearly been in storage somewhere for a number of years. Maybe in somebody's garage, maybe in a shed. I haven't bothered to clean it off or anything, so I just thought it was just looked cool as it was. Oh, some numbers on there. Can I read them? 06F70. I wonder if that's the manufacturing date on it. I wonder if that's the 6th of February 1970. If anybody can confirm that one way or another, let me know in the comments. Let's have a look at this bad boy. Still got gas in him. Let's have a listen. Definitely got gas. So we just go for it, see what happens. Oh, beautiful. Oh, just thinking about it. Oh, that's absolutely wonderful. Listen to the roar. There was the smell of burning dust, but that's okay. Let's go again. How high does he go? Is it going to blow up in my face? That's good enough. And if we bring him down to a simmer, and you come down to a low simmer as well. That's absolutely brilliant. Now we know the stove works. I'll show you the food that I've got. We've got some crispy crunchy bacon that I did yesterday, some vintage cheddar cheese, and the star of the show, some homemade pancakes. I made 4. What I'll do, I'll put the ingredients list in the description, so if you wanted to make them yourself, you can easily do it. These are made with pea flour, and I thought they would go well with some cheese and onion and bacon in the middle, heated up and then pressed over into like a pasty shape or a tortilla shape. As we're only going to be heating this up, I don't think I'll use any fat in there. I'll just put the tortillas or the pancakes straight on the titanium and see what happens. As I fried them off earlier in beef dripping, I'm hoping there's enough fat in them to not stick. I'll give you a quick recap as we go along. I've got a homemade pancake, some cheese, some pre-cooked crispy bacon. Oh, it smells so good. Some onion. I like a bit of onion. I'll put some coriander in there as well. And some more cheese on top. And I'm going to attempt to heat this through on a titanium pan without it sticking on a little gas stove that's potentially 56 years old. Wow. Let's see how we do. What could possibly go wrong? And try and turn him down to the absolute minimum he'll go. Fold the pancake over. I did remember to bring a handle with me as well, so I can just move him around a bit so he's not centered on one spot. I do believe this is actually working. Is it too early to turn the pancake over? Should we give it a go? Oh, look at that. That's amazing. I think we can risk turning him up just a little bit more. Got a bit of a yellow flame now, it's a bit concerning. Why is that? It's a very yellow flame. I've no idea why. I wonder if the gas is coming to the end. So we've got no stickage. I think we can go for a bit more heat. Oh, too much heat. I can smell him burning. Let's turn him back down. We just move that around a bit because we've got a central flame. We just move him around occasionally. Wait till we can see the steam coming off. And then move him across. Let's try flipping him one more time. Try and repack that onion and bacon. I think we've got a man down. Let's try a bit. I didn't bring another plate to serve on, so I'm going to use my titanium cutting board. Slip him out. Oh, looks beautiful. I think 2 would be plenty for lunch. I'm going to do this without making a mess. Just slap all the bacon in. It's not going to go to waste. While we've maxed this out, can we fold him over? I've overdone it. Come on, you can do it. That might just work. Let's try and flip him. Okay, not too bad. Oh, he looks beautiful. I find that I'm moving away from processed food more and more, and I'm putting the effort in to make more of my own things, like these pancakes. And the reward seems to be paying off, and I feel much healthier for it. Little gas stove, he's doing just fine, isn't he? Oh, cheese burning, cheese burning. Let's move him around. That's the thing with having just a little hot spot there. You got to be very careful and just keep moving things around. Let's try and flip him one more time. Oh, beautiful. Got a bit of loose bacon there. Let's move him again. I'll be honest with you, I had no idea how that would work out. Here's the one I made earlier. Oh, it looks beautiful. Should we cut him in half? Let's cut him in half so I can show you. That has worked out beautifully well. It almost reminds me of a Findus crispy pancake. Do they still sell those? It looked pretty much identical to this, but theirs had breadcrumbs on. Maybe I'll try that one day. Let's try that. Just one bite and you know that's a bit naughty. The pancakes I made, they've held together ever so well. The blend of flours I've been using seems to be working out absolutely perfectly. Maybe this is something you might like to try for yourself at home. It's just absolutely wonderful to be able to sit somewhere, have a bit of lunch and listen to nature. I think throwing everything into 2 pancakes was a good idea. There's no way I'd be able to eat 4. The one with the extra bacon in, it's gone super crispy. As much as I'm tempted to eat that, he's broken the 3-second rule. But I thoroughly enjoyed that. And I was well impressed with this little 1970 stove. I have no idea how to change the gas cartridge. And I don't even know how safe this is, to be honest, with this configuration where he just pushes into the gas can. He seems to have been alright. And I do like the stability of these little built-in plastic legs. It just goes to show you, just because he's old doesn't mean he can't still do the job. Thank you so much for joining me on this mini cooking adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I'll see you next time.